Leetcode medium problem 808 soup servings. So we have 4 options of operations. And we want to know the probability that A is used up before B, and half of the probability that both soups are used up in the same turn. Which means let's say we start from NA and AB, NB all equals to N. So once NA is used up and NB is used up, that means 100% these two soups are used up at the same time. Half of this will be 0.5. Otherwise, if A is used up, then obviously that is U is used up before B. Then we can return 100%. Or if B is used up, then that is we don't care about this case. So otherwise, we have to. Otherwise, there's gonna be four operations again, which we have to recursive. It's kind of like say we put these things into a subfunction, say probability and A and B. Otherwise, there's gonna be four cases. Probability and we want to add these things up. And multiply it with the factor. Anyway, this is gonna be a recursive. Let's see. Time limit exceeded. In this case of a recursive function, there's a there's a Python built-in decorator we can use, which is with this we can save some time by skipping some recalculation. We still have problems when there is a big input. But there's one thing we can put into consideration is that answers within this of the actual answer will be accepted. So, which means if the input is too big, it will be something close to 1. Say